Hi guys, it's Casey from Kayland, and today I decided to show you another of my favorite place in Seoul, and it will be Cheonggyecheon. Really unique place with beautiful aura, and it has a really interesting story, so I hope you like it. Go with me now. Go, go, go! Begins nearby Gwanghwamun. It's placed in my last video. So it's really nearby. This is Gwanghwamun and there is start. So I will show you how to go to it. On your way, you definitely will not miss this statue. This is beginning of our way. This new. A few years ago there was not this but I think they had reconstruction and it's new. Can you hear the sound of the water? This really looks like waterfalls. And this is how beautiful this place is. Because it's nature but with really nice human touch. There's really many people. There is place where many dramas was filming or many shows was filming. It's when one of the couple going through these stones. I bet if you are watching Korean dramas, you saw this place in dramas. Oh, I really like the sound of the water, you know. Oh, it's really beautiful. And there is really natural parts of Cheonggyecheon, and the beautiful thing about it, it's lasts through all Seoul, and you can just go from one neighborhood to another if you wanted, just by walking through Cheonggyecheon. And it's really beautiful road as you can see. It's when nature finds the human hand and they exists together and not ruin each other. It's really beautiful to see, if you know what I mean. So about story of Cheonggyecheon, it was really dirty place at 20th centuries, and the government decided to close it and build their road upon it. And there was a road, and this place was under this road, but one of Seoul major decided to reopen it and built this beautiful place like you see right now. And so they opened this place and they like build it as you can see, and it's really beautiful thing to do, you know, to let the nature be right in center of Seoul, and it's really, really beautiful thing. I really like to see how water is running, streaming and everything. So as you can see, at beginning it was the waterfalls and whatever, but there you can see nature and even trees, and like there is birds and there is fishes that lived here, and it's really beautiful. I think it's all that I wanted to show you today. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope we will meet soon in my next video. Thank you for being with me. It was Casey from Kayland, from Cheonggyecheon, and I will say you goodbye. Bye. Bye. See you next time. Bye.